are going to learn irregular plural nouns. One mouse, many mice. One foot, many feet. One die, many dice. One goose, many geese. One tooth, many teeth. One child, many children. One woman, many women. One man, many men. Thank you for learning with us. See you in the next video.